Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. The user noticed an interesting behavior with the I option in SSH while trying to authenticate with GitHub. Initially, they were able to authenticate using an empty file, but after rebooting, the authentication no longer worked. They suspected that SSH might remember keys used in the past and automatically use them when the given key fails. Now, focusing on the solution provided, here is a step to check for the presence of an SSH agent. You can run the command env grep /auth_sock_agent_pid. This will help determine if an agent is running in the background, which could be affecting the authentication process. Continuing with the solution, another command to gain insights into the SSH configuration is sshg-itemfogi@email.com grep identity file @keystoagent identities only. This command will show relevant information regarding identity files, key handling by the agent, and other related configurations that might impact SSH authentication. Moving forward, you can also use the command ssh-addl to list the keys that have been added to the agent. This command will provide visibility into the keys stored in the agent, which could be influencing the authentication process and key selection by SSH. In summary, we explored potential reasons for unexpected SSH authentication behavior and learned how to check for the presence of an SSH agent, analyze SSH configurations, and list keys stored in the agent. Hope this helps unravel any mysteries in your SSH setup. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Stay secure and happy coding.